60W super fast charging. UGREEN USB C charger cable will fast charge your USB-C laptops, smartphones, tablets at max 20 V3A current. Support power delivery 60W, 45W, 30 with 18W rapid charge. Unique right-angle design. UGREEN USB C to USB-C cable with an innovative 90° L design, which is much more convenient and comfortable for playing games, watching videos while charging. Premium quality. Solid and durable nylon braided cable ensures longer service life up to 10,000 bend. Double-sided USB-C connectors with overmolded strain relief are designed for frequent insertions. Aluminum housing, high-purity copper wire, triple shielding will keep long-lasting fast charging performance. Fast data sync. Offers transfer speed up to 480 megabits per second, USB 2.0, or transfer 1 GB files in 30 seconds. Broad compatibility. UGREEN Type-C fast charging cable is compatible with iPad Pro 2021, 2020-2018, MacBook 12. Top reviews from the United States. Look no further for a right-angle USB-C cable. Right-angle cables are somewhat a rarity and often only made by unreliable companies. Personally, I find them superior to straight cables for charging because you don't have to worry about them getting knocked around since they hug the device rather than poke out from it. I've used this particular cable for quite a while now in my iPad Pro 12.9 and it's worked great since day one. The cable itself is rugged, yet slim. I detest bulky cables, especially ones that are beefed up only to be showy. The connection from the cable to the USB-C housing is solid, and honestly, better than Apple cables, which frequently fall apart on me after a year or so. So, for price, build, and performance, I'd say you can stop scrolling Amazon looking for a better value. You found it.